Good morning and welcome to Market Day. As you can see around me right now, we have all of our students showcasing their innovative products that they've been working on over the last semester. So for us, today is a way of us being able to tell our story and being able to share what we've been learning with people that are interested in joining us, or people who are keen to partner with us from industry or from NGOs or from just families and friends. So we're looking forward to being able to do market days on a regular basis, and what that's going to mean is that we're going to be able to really connect better with you and be able to share with you how we are growing together and as a community. So we welcome you to come to this market day and to others as we start to host these on a regular basis in coming years. Thank you very much.
LSi Business School, where leaders learn.